In this guide, we will show you the tested image of the Oppo A16 CPH2269 EMMC ISP PinOUT and test point. By using the ISP PinOUT, you can easily restore the stock ROM, bypass FRP lock, remove MDM Lock, repair a dead boot, or reset user data on your device via UFi Box, Easy Jtag, and Flash64 Box. In this guide, we will also guide you on how to connect the ISP PinOUT to any UFS programmer box. This article provides the technical details for connecting directly with the EMMC chip in the Oppo A16 CPH2269 using the proper tools and connection points. What is ISP PinOUT? ISP in system programming allows us to have direct access to the EMMC/UFS memory with the device still soldered to the PCB printed circuit board using improper box/dongle, such as Flash64 UFI, Easy Jtag, or Medusa. By using the ISP PinOUT, we can perform operations such as a full dump, firmware update, boot repair, FRP removal, and security backup without requiring a chip-off procedure. That way, we reduce our time, costs, and risks of damaging the PCB. Oppo A16 CPH2269 ISP PinOUT EMMC Ways image. Remove the back panel carefully. The glue will be robust because the Oppo A16 CPH2269 has high IP ratings, IP68/69. Take care when using a heat gun and cutting tool. To view the EMMC/UFS chip area, remove the motherboard shield. CMD, command line. CLK, clock signal. DAT0, data, line 0. VCC/VCCQ, power supply for the EMMC, can be powered via USB. GND, ground connection. Tip, use a microscope or a 10x magnifier to identify the points correctly. Don't depend only on diagrams, confirm the layout visually. Required tools for ISP PinOUT. Make sure your table is set up with the right tools before jumping in. UFi Box, Flash64, or Easy Jtag. Nolla, uksi nolla, kolme yun tervoju. Fine tip soldering iron. Isopropyl cleaner, IPA 99%. Soldering flux. Multimeter for checking continuity. How to connect Oppo A16 CPH2269 ISP to the EMMC box. Remove the battery from the phone. This is very important to prevent voltage issues. Clean the PC board area with isopropyl alcohol. Connect jumper wires to RST, SOP, SON, RXOP, and ROXON points with care using solder. Connect the wires to your UFS/EMMC tool, following the tool's pinout. Double-check each wire using a multimeter to ensure there are no shorts. Connect to UFi or Easy Jtag. In the UFi or Easy Jtag software, select Identify UFS EMMC. Now use the operation you want. User partition, special task, reset FRP. If you have the right connection, you will see the UFS chip information in the tool window.